Clean Planet have introduced sanitizing fogging to our line of services. The process uses handheld machine to vaporize disinfectant liquid and project it in the form of a mist. We source our own disinfectant to use in this process. It is effective in getting rid of viruses and bacteria, including COVID-19, from any surface. Our teams wear full PPE when performing fogging, ensuring zero face-to-face contact during the process. Fogging can be performed on both the exterior and interior of the building. Common requests are the bathrooms, open plan areas, staff rooms and kitchens. Call us on 0800 274 355 to book or inquire.